Box cover, this is TheDuttyBerry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. Now I hope you guys had a great week. Let me just fill it in that I attended the Get Social Awards. I never win, but you know, Quiet Perry represented and collected the award for Best in Comedy, and so congratulations to him and all the other nominees. Is there anything else that I'm leaving out? I don't know, but hopefully you've checked out the Get Social interviews with Perry, with Shauna Chin, as well as the vlog. If you haven't, make sure someone put like the little link or something there, here so. But for every, oh my God, did I just burp? But for all you need to know about what happened on social media, let's get into the top 10.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, the box cover, empower all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something. Yo, what happened of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Mackerel rundown. Me get up seed. So all I know is that Mackerel, you're on the countdown. You are a staple on the social media countdown these days. So, you know, Mackerel, she put up a video. A little song, you may call it, in the bed, making up a little freestyle to Caribbean classic. Just Free.
Nah friend, my matey them. Nah friend, my matey them. Can't friend, my matey them. Nah friend, my matey them. Me take a girl man without no fear. Nah friend, my matey them.
I love the old God, no me I swear.
Nah friend, my matey them. Me take a girl man and take him over. Nah friend, my matey them. People man that are comfortable. Nah friend, my matey them. Nah friend, my matey them. Nah friend, my matey them. Can't friend, my matey them. Nah friend, my matey them.
And the Grammy goes to...
Oh wow, okay. And into the midst of that, there came this lady on social media who put out a little message to Mackerel, just in case Mackerel did a thing forgot take her man. Take a look.
I don't know how Mackerel for take with my man. I want me ear pull up. Look more.
Enough time today.
Me know if it tick. Tack. Me know for the girl we can twerk like me. Eh? Eh? And family people. How Mackerel for take with my nice clean man. Boy, it's the goal in my thing. Eh? One go him go. One go him go. Remember, boy, no leave this. Boy, put all.
No man, this serious. And in the midst of that, there came this video with Mackerel. I do a little whining to Gage new song now. Mackerel. So now we go move from Mackerel and make you know about this new artist on the scene. Now this lady. You remember some time ago we talked about the whole Mackerel situation and she mentioned her mother and we say her mother come out and put a couple live videos online. Now let me tell you, this lady, she's a serious artist. Mackerel's mother goes by the name of Mama Mackerel and she released her new hit gospel track, Pre, and let me know what you think about it.
My God will fix things, oh my God will fix things. You need a blessing, oh my God will fix things. My God will fix things, oh my God will fix things. No need no stressing, oh my God will fix things.
My God can fix it, oh my God can fix it, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, you know the song actually shell. If you're a lover of gospel music, especially them long time JCDC type of vibe, you know so this song is a hit song. It's actually a good little song and a nice little message. And can you imagine if Mackerel actually collaborated with her mother?
Give me back the sweet festival song, come on everybody come around. Give me back the sweet festival song, no one nobody come take me down.
Nah friend, my matey them. Nah friend, my matey them. Yeah friend, my matey them. Nah friend, my matey them.
Wow. They call that a mackerel run down for real. So let me know, burritos, what do you think of all of these mackerel moments? Comments down below. Number 9, Romeich richness. Me foot back heel. You know, say Romeich from Romeich Entertainment. You know, the little thing in the streets of the man have little money, little change and all of these things. The man is big entrepreneur in Jamaica, and he has built quite a industry within an industry for himself. So now, this brother now, he look like him take to supermarket, and him don't just supermarket like everybody else. This man brav on a different level. This is how feel richness turn up. Pre.
Jay, this is all rich shop. I'm in my own lane.
This is only shop when you're rich.
I'm in my own lane. Let's get some soap cause I have no say. In my own lane, yeah.
Okay. Okay, you think you have any friend or employee that would do this for you? Comment down below, burritos. Number 8, words of tongue. So this police officer must say talk to this. You know what, I don't even know if it's ever come. I'm kind of afraid of the video here. I don't know what this video might come give me. Go give me all kind of big guy, big foot, big shoulder, and then because something here. But this brother looked like he was hard stopped by an officer. And in the middle of this brother was not hard pleased with what was being said to him. So he interrupted, he intervened by using something that connected to his core, some spirituality. Some people would call it speaking in tongues. Nicki Minaj. Pre.
Alright, because you have an exam and I get a ride, all the rest of people come with me every morning. And you take from my car for nothing at all. You know run no robot. And work me I go. Shalaba Kodobo Shayaraba Sete. You, the blood of Jesus can come brother. Shalama Sete Roboshia. Kondoro Mo Shendia. Yakorobo Sete.
You know, so from me here, me said this, drive off. Me no know what kind of things the brother here did that show up on. No, me never did that go stay. What would you have done, burritos? Comment down below. Number 7, Gully rises. So, last week, I'm going to show this video with Amari and Gully Bop. Look like everything are going good. When out of nowhere, all of a sudden, Gully Bop went on live, big up who gave him her Wi-Fi access, and decided to properly chastise his former lover. Pre?
Yeah. You remember one time you used to say, Amari, he gets scared. Got pay gray here. Yeah. Yeah. Let me tell you something.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. What did you think about all of that, burritos? Comment below. Number 6, a lighter note. My word! So, this principal apparently had a student who showed up to school with, I guess you'd call a lighter complexion. And it seemed to just baffle the principal. The principal couldn't understand what could have caused this change in complexion. So, out of concern, the principal, I guess, wrote a letter to the parent saying this. And now it will be read. This letter will be read by Jenny. Take a look.
Make her read a letter that the principal sent home to some parents. It says, "Dear parent guardian, we have observed that there are changes to the tone and complexion of the skin of your child or ward. These changes are more visible on his or her face when compared to the photograph on the file. We are therefore asking for a medical report from a doctor concerning the condition, as we are not sure if it is contagious. If this is not forthcoming, we ask that the child or ward remains at home until his or her original complexion has returned and when it would have been deemed safe for him or her to be integrated into the school population. I love the principal of Irwin. Good letter."
You know what? Me not gonna say on me want to hear from on in the comments. Make sure say a comment, you know, and tell me what would you have done if you got a letter like this from the principal talking about your child. How would you have responded? Let me know in the comment section. You think it was appropriate? You think the man doesn't make a mockery of the situation? Sound off below.
I'm become a barra man. The intention to do something, I'm become a man. Me and my lover, man.
Hold up! So, for those of you watching right now, tell a friend, let me just tell you right now that I will be in Montego Bay for Reggae Sumfest 2019. So, for anyone who know out there who might want to approach me for promotions, for some sort of business inquiry with the Dutty Berry Show, please do not hesitate to send an email to me. It is duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Let me whisper it. duttyberryshow@gmail.com. So yeah, run in because we have advertisement slots for you and you and you and you and you. Number 5, unruly minister. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. You know, I'm a person who, I guess I kind of like optics. And so recently we saw Popcorn photographed with the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Mr. Andrew Holness. Now, at first I was just like, what the bungo banga den gang this a one? And then me I say, you know, like you see Popcorn dressed up in a jacket and tie and them little type of attire there. Me I say no, something official or some dignified type of occasion. Then, you know, I found out that it was the groundbreaking ceremony of the St. Thomas Urban Center. So big up St. Thomas, because you know you need the infrastructure. Why me I mix up my words them so? You know you need the improvement. You know the situation down at St. Thomas, and me I like here so them gonna get KFC and Burger King. So that's a big improvement for the parish. And another round of applause for St. Thomas. But between me and you, we know St. Thomas need all heap. Picture say you roll up like television. This them want bubbling over, all heap more. And then now came this very you know, this very interesting conversation with Popcorn and some members of Andrew Holness's team. Take a look.
My lord. What? Nesta and Popcorn. What? Nesta. And big up the legend Robert Nesta.
Big up yourself, my boss. When you hear me there? You need to say what? You need to say what?
This man, this guy here.
You need to say what?
What?
Now, this come like me when me go down a mountain view one time and sit down on the street side and I reason with the people. Them. It's just like, it was just like, yo, Jenga, yo, yeah man, up, you know, up, you don't know the thing set, you know, I just swaggerific, you know, we just swaggerific in the place, you know me, I say, boop, blah, 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 light off, woof, woof, blah, blah, yo, the skeleton ding dong, yo, yeah man. And of course, there was this moment where Popcorn and Andrew Holness sat down for a little quick chit chat. I still look forward to the full interview. I love to see because I want to know how that dialogue went. And people just ignore the man and the button right there. So, because the same me used to go out and never know say you're supposed to pull the button, but you know, thank God for God and His mercies. Somebody could have educated me. But everybody knows. So just give Popcorn a blind, okay? Let me know what you thought about this burritos. Comment down below.
That there is critic, you know, there are criticisms, but constructive criticism of what they do. I mean, if you look at Calypso, I mean, you know, Calypso was a very powerful social commentary tool. Reggae music in the early days was a very powerful social commentary tool.
Number 4, tourist ads. Now, this week, I do not know, but the tourists them come like them want to take over. They are more ingrained in Jamaican knowledge than some of the own Jamaican natives. Now, first up, we're going to take a look at this brother now. This brother come and hang out a breakfast party, and him now go to your like a regular degular. This brother decides that he want to audition for Ravers Clavers. Pre!
What's the word? Big up the artist now. Who's the money this money in the name? That's what I'm
yeah. And now we're moving to another brother now. Now, this brother was staying at Jules Resort. His name is Alex. He's mostly a comedian from New York, and him come down here for do a little show. But in the midst of that, this brother decided to do a little recap, a little synopsis, a little summary of his experience, you know.
Guys, I'm in Montego Bay, Jamaica for my first time. It's absolutely gorgeous. The rivers, the beaches, the parties. I went to a dance hall party last night. Reggae music. The woman. I traveled all the way across the globe to find out that they got them want a physician, got them want a man fit, turn them in a different position.
So let me know, burritos, what do you think of these two tourists? Number 3, a dandy affair. Me go stew peas. Yo! I do not know if I want to get into this video. I don't even know if I can play it without getting into any hard problem. So this look like two crew of girls them. I don't know what kind of argument. I don't know if a man them a fight over if I did rice and peas and chicken. We do not know, but some sort of commotion happened. The people them split into groups, and this, what you're about to see, is Dandy Shandy 3.0. Yeah, girl, come here. Yeah. So yes, I tried a little dramatization, so hopefully that was appropriate enough for you. But let me know, what did you think of this Dandy Shandy battle? Comments down below.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment. Well done. Look all the girls, them sexy and run club. Sing along. Well then, big up the friend.
Alright, so first up in the big up segment, I have to go big up to all the nominees and the winners at the Reggae Songfest Get Social Awards. Also, I want to actually big up all of the people out there who are working to fulfill their dreams. I know sometimes, the journey is so rough. It can be so difficult, especially as you try to elevate and climb the ladder. Some sort of crosses just pop up out of nowhere. We want to drag on right back down to the same hole we're not trying to elevate from. But hang in there, just keep persevering, and just to keep your goals at the center of your thoughts at every single point in time, because that alone will fuel you to actually realize your dreams. So big up all of the goal chasers them that are watching right now. And also, switching things in a different gear, going to, big up new artists on the scene, Jashin. Check him out.
No work the hardest, so work the smartest. So you have to watch the company you chose. Study your friends them, cause the whole of them a study you and ask that for guide every move. No work the hardest, so work the smartest.
And yeah, people, another new artist on the scene by the name of Sadiki with his single music video called Try. Check it out and let me know what you think about it.
I fit try, make it in a life, it hard and a lie. I fit try, work hard every day and I'm break till me die.
Number 2, Place Hot Woes. Me AC Turner. What? Some even name a AC Turner? The heat in Jamaica right now, don't normal. And we are just starting summer. Look at this video. Look at the lengths to what this brother had to go through, just so him could keep him house warm. Take a look.
Look up. You have to find somewhere to cool on your house. Time at your phone. Kupa me charge. I cool man, I cool on your house, you know. Charge you a cool on your house. Rain fall for one man, don't stop, you know. I tell you all when it's on hot, rain a fall.
No man, Jesus P, ozone layer, away you depend. Ozone layer, away you depend. Can you imagine all the people them in a Portmore a suffer? We're in the slab roof, the little square, the little box, without AC, so you get the wicked heat. On top of that, you have mosquito perplex, yo. Jesus, P, man, you think about the Portmore, you have left out 3 hours before everybody else just so you can reach our work 2 minutes early. Nah, man, Portmore people, I don't know how you manage. You know, moment of prayer for the people that in Portmore. Make a way. Amen. And then now, there was this dance happening, a dance more, I call it this little session. I keep a you on the Amona bowl with the pool there, called the Place Hot B. And in the middle of this, there was a little dance up. Shell. Yep. When I like the girl, yeah man, she demolish him.
Finish him.
Let me know what you think about this ridiculous heat wave at Box Jamaica right now. Comment down below. And number 1 goes to spicy family drama. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So, you know, Spice, dancehall artist Spice, she her love for her pitney them. She always walk around with them like her Gucci handbag. She love her pitney them. So recently, her son Nicholas, you know, him graduate, you know, pass him in PEP exam and all of these things. I know she congratulate him in usual Spice style, but it looked like a little her commotion happened when at the ceremony, the graduation ceremony, his father, that is Spice's former boyfriend, her baby father, showed up to the ceremony. Oh wow, man, I lie, that get me emotional a little bit. So then the father apparently posted the video on social media, and Spice wasn't too fond of that approach. And she took to social media to say this. You wanna make people video like you didn't even know the teacher name when you search for him group. Boy, hey! You make sure September morning you come video yourself at the school, I pay the school fee and move with the cloud shot. You just get your papers and did make it seems like all along me did hide the picnic them from you when you couldn't travel. Of course the child gonna get emotional. It's his first time seeing you in 3 years. You come make video like a true me did hide him. It's not too late for start off by doing real things and cut the cloud chasing. Hashtag I hope this year you buy a book. Hashtag cause you never did. Oh wow. Wow. All I can say is that I can understand the dynamic and how rough it be when parents part, but at the end of the day, you know, like the pitney don't really care. They, like me I say as somebody who lived it, the pitney don't really care. At the you know, the pitney, the child are, you know, will just listen to what the mother say and what the father say and just hear and take piece and piece. But at the end of the day, the child just want to know say the parents are there to care. So hopefully in the long term everything will sort itself out, because you know, you wouldn't want the child to grow up and deal with all kind of parental issues. So that's just it. But let me know what you thought about this Berrydo's comment down below. Share your thoughts. Well, that is it. We've come to an end of another social media top 10 countdown. I've been, you know, enjoying this. I'm kind of glad to say I'm back on YouTube doing my thing, and it's just so much fun. Big up to all of the Berrydos who voted for me. I really appreciate the energy and the support, and just continue to show me love and leave the comments, because you know I am a person who always fight for the comments them. So leave a comment, let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown, and if I just A, B, C, or D you're going to leave it. Hit the thumbs up button, and if you're new to the channel, please to subscribe. It's simple as that. Just watch the video, subscribe, because we have a whole heap more content for you. Also, I want you guys to look forward to a special The Road It Dutty that I did with the UK ambassador to Jamaica, Ambassador Ahmad. That is going to be quite interesting. You may go and walk around with him, talk to him, get to have a little feel of what his job is like. So that is coming up, I think, in a few days, so look forward to that as well. If you want to advertise within the social media countdown, please send me a message to DuttyBerryshow@gmail.com. If you want to follow me on social media, on Twitter it is @DuttyBerryShow, on Instagram is @DuttyBerryShow, Snapchat it is Dutty.Berry. What else I'm leaving out? I have a Facebook fan page that you can follow me. It is facebook.com/TheDuttyBerryShow. Okay, so take care until next time.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like yo, hey, box cover, him cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something.